Good morning, student. Class 3rd, subject computer, lesson number 5, MS Paint, draw and color. Everyone, open your course book, lesson number 5, MS Paint, draw and color, page number 42. You have learned about the paint program in the previous chapter. It provides you with various tools for drawing and curling your pictures. You know about all the parts of paint window. Now let us study how to draw and color picture in MS Paint fastly. Recall the commands with we are going to use in MS Paint. In Home tab, Paint button, Tools, Shaped, Colors. Tools group. Tools groups consist of various tools. To select a tool, click on the tool button. You will find that the tools button is highlighted and the shape of the mouse pointers change in the work area. Pencil is used for drawing or writing anything with free hand movement. When you click on it, you can draw and write in the work area. Eraser is used for erasing any part of picture. Fill with color is used to color a part of picture. By clicking on this option, you can choose any color from the colors group and fill the picture with that color. Text is used to write something on the picture. Magnifier is used to see a drawing in a large size. Color picker is used to select a color from a picture or a part of it and draw the picture in that color. Let us draw. You know how to use line, rectangular, oval and fill with color. Now let us make the pictures and understand the use of each option in the tools group. To make the drawing, follow the given step. First, click Home tab. Second, click Line from Tools group. Third, choose the line width from the Size drop down menu. Fourth, select the color from the Colors group. Fifth, move the mouse pointer to the draw area. The shapes of pointer changes to a across point. Press the left mouse button and move the mouse on the mouse pad to draw the shape. Note that you keep the left mouse button pressed while drawing. Release the mouse button when you complete the shape. Rectangles tool. The rectangles tool is used for drawing rectangles and squares. First, click the Home tab. Second, click Rectangle from Tools group. Third, select the color and rectangles outline from Colors group. Fourth, bring the mouse pointer into work area. Click and drag to draw the rectangle. Fifth, release the mouse button when the rectangle is of desired size. Rounded rectangle. Rounded rectangle tools is used for drawing rectangles and squares with rounded edges. To draw rounded rectangles, follow the given step. First, click the Home tab. Second, click rounded rectangles from the Shapes group. Third, rectangle the outline color from Colors group. Fourth, move the mouse pointer to working area. Click and drag to draw the shape. Fifth, a rectangle outline appears while you drag the mouse. Release the mouse button when the rounded rectangle shape is of desired size. Ellipse tool. To draw an oval or a circle, follow the given step. First, click the Home tab. Second, click Oval from the Shape group. Third, select the outline color from Colors group. Fourth, move the mouse pointer to working area. Click and drag the mouse to draw the shape. Fifth, release the mouse button when the desired shape and size is drawn. Curve tool. Curve tool is used for drawing curves. To draw curves, follow the given step. First, click the Home tab. Second, click Curve tool from Shapes group. Third, select the outline color from the Colors group. Fourth, move the mouse pointer to drawing area. Click and drag the mouse to draw the shape. Fifth, pull or push the curve to change shape of curve. Release the mouse button when the desired shape to curve is drawn. Polygon tool. Polygon is a closed figure having 3 or more sides. To draw a polygon, follow the given step. First, click the Home tab. Second, click Polygon from Tools group. Third, select the color from Colors group. Fourth, move the mouse pointer to working area. Click and drag to draw first line where you want to start polygon. Fifth, release the mouse button. Sixth, click at the point where you want to draw the next line segment. Seventh, repeat step 6 until you complete the polygon. 8. Double click to end drawing. Fill with color tool. The fill with color tool is used to fill a color in a closed figure. First, click the Home tab. Second, using various tools, draw and close figure. Third, select the fill with color from tools group. Fourth, select the color from colors group to be filled inside the figure by clicking on the color. Fifth, click the left mouse button inside the figure and the selected color gets filled. Text tool. Text tool can be used to add text to your drawing. First, click the Home tab. Second, click the Text tool from the tool groups. Third, move the mouse pointer to working area and press the left mouse button and drag to make a text box on the drawing board. Take the mouse pointer to the place where you want to write something. Fourth, click inside the text box on the screen. Fifth, type the words on or sentence by using the keyboard's key. Pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw freehand drawing. To use pencil tool, follow the given step. First, click the Home tab. Second, click Pencil from Tools group. Third, select a color from the color box. Fourth, bring the mouse pointer to drawing area. Click and drag the mouse to do drawing. Fifth, release the mouse button after you have drawn the figure. Eraser tool. The eraser tools is used to erase an area of the drawing. First, click the Home tab. Second, click the Erase from Tools group. Third, bring the cursor on the part of the picture you want to erase. Fourth, press the left mouse button and drag it over the area. How to save your drawing. When you finish drawing and coloring your picture, then you may want to store the drawing that you have made. You store it in your computer. The task of storing the work is computer is called saving. To save a file in a Paint, follow the given step. First, click the Paint button and menu screen appear. Second, click the Save option. The Save As dialog box appear. Third, now it is file name box. Type the name that you want to give to your work. Fourth, click the Save button. You have to save your work in a file in the computer. Note, you can also save your work by using the keyboard. Press Ctrl S to save your drawing. How to open a saved drawing. You know how to save your work in a file. Now learn how to open a saved Paint file. To open a saved work or file, follow the given step. First, click the Paint button. Second, click the Open option. The Open dialog box appear. Third, click the file you want to open. Fourth, click the Open button. Note, you can open your work or file by using the keyboard. Press Ctrl O to open a file. How to start a new drawing? To start a new drawing on a blank space, follow the given step. First, click the paint button. Second, click the new option. Third, a new blank drawing area will appear on the screen. You can now draw and color picture as you have learned earlier. Okay, I think you understand what is the means of this chapter. This option is there now. Everyone draw the picture on your computer and laptop. Okay. See you. Bye. Allah Hafiz. If you have any confusion, any doubt, you message me in my personal WhatsApp.